What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use built-in surface level on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and click on edge panels. Now in edge panels, click on, first of all turn on the edge panels and then click on panels, and from here make sure to select tools panel. Now after selecting this tools panel, go back to your home screen and open the edge panel and then go to the tools panel. So this is the tools panel. So by default it will show the compass. So to use the surface level, click on this three dot more icon and from here tap on surface level, and then it will show two numbers x and y. So when there are 0 on x and y, it means your surface is 100% leveled, but if it's not showing zeros, it means the surface is not level. So that's how you can use the built-in surface level in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.